A very good evening, all of you. Today we are doing complaint letters, inquiry letters, and order placing letters. And we have done letter to editor. There is a slight difference between letter to editor and complaint letters. This is the topics are generally same in letter to editor and complaint letters because these two letters are based on general problems, some social issues or problems. But what is the difference? That letter to editor, we don't write direct to concerned authorities, and in complaint letter we direct write the letter to concerned authorities. Okay. We want to draw the attention of concerned authorities directly, and in letter to editor we want to draw the attention of concerned authorities through the columns of newspaper. Okay. In letter to editor we are writing the letter to the editor of the newspaper, and here we write the letter to the concerned authority. Yes, here I have a question of complaint letter, which was there in CBSC exam 2016. That is, you are Tarun Jain of 15 Nehru Park, Karnal. Write a letter to the police commissioner complaining about the increasing number of thefts in your area. So, I have already told you about the format of the letter, informal letter. Now you again see this. First of all, we have to write sender's address at the left side of the page. Who is sender? uh, the sender address in this question is 15 Nehru Park, Karnal. Okay, then after leaving one line we have to write date, and this format 6 October 2020, and then after leaving one line we have to write to whom we are writing the letter. The police commissioner. In first line we have to write designation and then the office and then city. So here this is understood that the police commissioner is there in police station, so we directly have written here Karnal. In After leaving one line, then we write subject. So what is the subject? Subject is there in our question, is complaining about the increasing number of thefts in your area. So what would be the subject? Increasing number of thefts. So here we have mentioned the subject in 4 words. Now salutation sir. Now I have told you that we have to write letter body in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph we have to introduce the problem. Through this letter I would like to draw your attention. Here we will write your attention, not the attention of higher authorities, because we are writing this letter to the higher authorities itself. Okay, so through this letter I would like to draw your attention towards increasing incidents of theft in Nehru Park area of the city. So in first paragraph we have to introduce the problem. We have to write the purpose of writing the letter. In next paragraph we have to describe the problem in detail. We have been facing this problem for 3 months. Hardly a day passes when there is no theft or burglary. There is an atmosphere of insecurity and fear in the entire society or locality. We have reported these cases to the nearest police station, but no strong action has been taken in this regard. People don't trust policemen anymore because the culprits means criminals. Culprits always go scot free. There is a danger to the life of the residents also, since the burglar come armed with knives and pistols. And then in third paragraph we have to write some meaningful suggestions and request. It is requested that night patrolling in this area should be intensified, means to be made stronger, to be intensified, and all out efforts should be made to nab the culprits, to catch the culprits. Okay, this is our letter body in 3 paragraphs. Now you have to write yours faithfully and Tarun Jan, the name which is given in your question. So this is complaint letters. If you get any type of topic for this complaint letter, now you can write. Okay. uh, the next is inquiry letter. When we want to have some inquiry about some course or some procedure of something, so we write inquiry letter. As there is a question which was there in CBSE exam 2019, as a health conscious person, you have noticed an advertisement in a newspaper on yoga classes in your neighborhood. Okay. Write a letter to the organizer, Yoga for Public, RK Puram, New Delhi, requesting him or her to send you information about the duration of the course and other relevant details. You are Shweta or Sarika of 15 RK Puram, New Delhi. So, what is sender's address? 15 RK Puram, New Delhi, and who is writing the letter? Shweta or Sarika. Now, to whom we are to write the letter? To the organizer, Yoga for Public, RK Puram, New Delhi. This is the address of receiver. And what is the purpose? Inquiry about yoga class. Okay, this is our letter. So first of all, sender's address 15 RK Puram, New Delhi, and then date after leaving one line 6 October 2020, and then receiver's address, the organizer, Yoga for Public, RK Puram, New Delhi. New Delhi, we can write this with RK Puram also. Subject, inquiry about yoga classes. So our subject should be very short and sweet. Sir, with reference to the advertisement published in the New India Times dated 27 September 2020 regarding the course in basic yoga, I wish to solicit some information. This first line would be same, only you have to change the date. And regarding the course in basic yoga, this purpose, only you have to change in this line would be same for each and every inquiry. With reference to the advertisement published, if you have seen some advertisement of any class or some tour or some other thing, and you want to get information about this, then you have to write this same line, with reference to the advertisement published in the New India Times. This is newspaper name, dated 27 September 2020. Means when you write the letter, we are writing the letter on 6 October, so you have to choose some previous date. As I chose 27 September. Okay. So regarding the course in basic yoga, now here you write the topic regarding the course in basic yoga, and I wish to solicit some information. This is the first line of this letter, opening line. Now you have to tell about yourself and what do you want. I am a health conscious person and I am willing to join this course. This is your purpose, but I would like to know the following details with respect to this course. Now you have to write in points, what information do you like to know. First, duration of the course. If you have a question about inquiry of any course, so these things are same. Duration of the course, day and date of commencement means day and date of starting of the course, timings of the class, approximate number of participants, schedule of fees to be paid. So these are some information we can solicit for some course. Then in third paragraph, you can write, I would be grateful if you can supply me all the above details so that I can make up my mind about joining this course. Looking forward to an early response. So this line will be approximately same, because if you want to write a letter to join some course, then the line will be same. I would be grateful if you can supply me all the above details so that I can make up my mind about joining this course. If this inquiry is not about any course, so you can make some changes here in this line. And the next complementing line, or the last line of letter body is looking forward to an early response. This line is very effective, so you can as it is learn this line and write. Then yours faithfully, Shweta, which is given in your question. So this is the format and example of inquiry letter. Next is placing order. When you want to place order for some articles for your school or your shop, or for somewhere else. So here I have a question. You are in charge of physical education in your school. APS Muradabad. Here is the name of school, APS Muradabad. Write a letter to Pioneer Sports Corporation Ambala, placing an order for a minimum of 4 sports items with details. Ask for the discount also. Sign as Raman. Means who is sender? Sender is Raman. And what is the sender's address? APS school, school Muradabad. And to whom we are to write the letter? Pioneer Sports Corporation Ambala. When we write a business letter, we write to the sales manager. In placing order, we write to the sales manager of any company or any firm. Okay, so like this, we will write this letter. APS Senior Secondary School, Muradabad is sender's address, then date 6 October 2020. Then after leaving one line, the sales manager. We have to write the head name as the sales manager, which is not given in your question, but you have to write in this type of letter. The sales manager, then the company name, my Pioneer Sports Corporation, then in third line, Ambala, city name. Then subject, placing order for whatever this is. Okay, placing order for sports items in our question. So if sports items, musical items, books, and whatever is the item, you can write like this. Sir, the first line will be same, opening line will be same, only you can change the item name. Through this letter, I would like to place an order for sports items. Here you can change if you have some other thing in your question. Through this letter, I would like to place an order for a sports item in bulk for our school. We require the following items. Then after the opening line, you are to give the list of things which you want, like serial number, particulars, their brand, company names, and quantity. Now, in next line, you have to show, you have to talk about discount. So these are important things in this type of letter. You have to write the opening line. Secondly, you are to make this type of table of particulars. And thirdly, you have to talk about discount. We appreciate the 10% discount that you are offering on the purchase in your quotation. It means we have already got the quotation of this company and we appreciate the 10% discount, but we expect 5% additional discount that is usually given to the institutional buyers. Means for educational institutions, there is some extra discounts. Okay, we have talked about discount. Now next important thing is mode of payment and date. Till when we want this material? All the items must reach in proper condition before 15th October. Means we are writing the letter on 6th October. So we have to put the further date, 15 October or 10 October or 20 October. Okay, so this line will be there. All the items must reach in proper condition. Items, whatever is your item, doesn't matter. This line you as it is remember. All the items must reach in proper condition before 15th October 2020. We shall make payment by DD or by check or online as soon as the sports items are received. So this information you have to give in placing order type letters. Okay, then yours faithfully and name, and a designation is given in your question, in charge physical education. So dear students, these are all letters. You may have the questions in your exams. Now some topics, important topics about complaint letter, like non cleaning of garbage and drainage in your locality, poor state of sanitation of government hospitals, frequent power failures, defected items. Means if we have purchased some item and this is defected, then we can write the letter about defected item. Fifth, poor management of some trip. Next, inquiry letter, procedure for getting duplicate certificate issued. Means we want to know the procedure for getting duplicate certificate issued. If we have lost our original certificate of CBSE and we want to take the duplicate certificate, so we want to know what is the procedure. Now we have to write the letter, inquiry letter. Course in spoken English, inquiry about organizing a tour. So these type of letters you may have in your questions. So dear students, I hope now you have understood the format of these letters, and now you can write these letters very effectively, and you can score full marks in these letters. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.